Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I am Salt. So today I'm cleaning the boat up, so that's what we're gonna do today. We got some rust spots and stuff like that we're gonna take care of here in a minute. I'm gonna show you the end result of what I did, and then we're gonna go through the process. That is our live well hatch cover. Looks nice and clean. Still a little foamy down in there because I'm still rinsing it out, but I'll show you what I did. If you would, help our small channel grow. Subscribe, like, and drop a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. Also, you can find us on TikTok and Instagram at Salt in Sunshine FL. There is a couple of spots on our boat that have some rust residue, some rust stains, stuff like that from the salt water and everything, because as we all know, salt water is very abrasive. And it just looks bad. And anybody that owns a boat knows how expensive boats can be and how expensive maintenance can be. And if you don't maintain it, fixing them is even more expensive. So what we like to do is we always wash our boat down every single time we come back from the water. We flush the engine, we flush the pumps. We make sure that we clean everything with fresh water and soap that was touched by salt water. So one spot that we've noticed over the past, like, I don't know, 6-7 months, is in our live well, the hinge that closes the live well, on the underside of it, it's metal, and we're going to replace them, but we need to clean this area first because it looks really bad. That rust stain right there, that streak from salt water splashing up on the lever there, you can see that the lever needs to be replaced, which we're going to be replacing those. We got to order them. Right there, that looks bad. And then down around the drain hole, we have rust residue from where pieces of that metal fell off and went down into there and then sat around the drain hole right there. There's also a couple little other spots right there. I know this is not seen, like this is not seen by, you know, everybody, but it's seen by us, and we just don't like it. We take pride in our boat. We've spent a lot of money on the boat, and we continue to spend money on the boat, and so we make sure that it's taken care of, because we don't want to spend money on repairs when maintenance is cheaper. So we got that to clean today right there, and then over here in our non-skid surface, we have a couple little rust spots from where like a hook or a weight or something sat on the non-skid surface just a little bit too long. So we're gonna clean that up. So I picked up some of this stuff, Starbright rust stain remover, and it looks like it's pretty easy. It's a gel formula. You just spray it on and rinse it off. So I'm gonna give that a try, see if this was even worth it. I think this was like $10-12. I picked up at Walmart in the fishing section. Let's give it a try. And I'm going to try it on this area first, so that way then if it does stain or if it messes up the coating, it's on the underside and it won't be seen, versus if I start on the deck first. I don't want to start on the deck. I don't want to start on the deck first, just in case it does anything to it. You're supposed to just spray it on here, let it sit for like 2 minutes. And as you see, it's already starting to work. Like, this is crazy. It's already starting to work right there. Let me get the bottle out of the sun so you can see. But it's already starting to work. Like, this line that was there is almost completely gone now. And it's supposed to sit on the surface, but because this is angled and I can't set it flat, the stuff runs down. But look at that, it's disappearing. That is crazy. This one down here, That one's a little bit more. Sorry, I had to turn my camera off because the dog decided to take a field trip down the street. So this has been like 2 minutes, maybe 2 minutes. And as you see, there's no real rust stains that you can see anymore. They've basically disappeared. They have disappeared. This one down here, that rust stain has almost completely disappeared as well. There's still a little bit of heavy rust staining right there on the corner, but it's going away. Look at that. That is crazy. So, first time using this, I am very happy with what it looks like. That is, it looks almost brand new. All right, well, I'm gonna rinse it off and see what it looks like. Look at that, y'all. That is incredible. That is absolutely incredible. Look at that. That streak is gone. Streak is completely gone. And down inside here, so down inside there, look at that, around that drain hole. All that rust is gone there too. That is crazy. So, with that being said, you got some rust on your boat, get you some of this stuff. It works wonderful, as you see. Look at that, rinsed off. That is completely clean. Absolutely clean. So, Starbright, awesome product. We use their salt off to clean the outside of the boat, and then we also use their deck cleaner to clean our non-skid surface. And we just love all their products that they've had that we've used so far. And this is gonna be one that we add to our rotation. So, till next time, hope we see you on the water.